Well, we found this super cool spot, Santo Coyote. We just happened to stumble across it, and tableside salsa, right? Yeah. Wow. Tomatillo, tomate, jitomate, cebolla.
This is habanero.
Habanero? Yeah. Oh, man, you crazy. Crazy. Take a bite. Wow.
Uno para usted.
Wow. Me? Okay.
Este.
You take a bite, so I'll take a bite.
Aquí,
Yeah, don't eat down the middle and get the
On
seeds.
the side?
This.
Yeah, okay. Here. Here, okay.
Sweet.
Not bad. Wait for it. But wait. She likes spicy too. Spicy is muy bien. Yeah. Oh, it's not even hot.
Not bad. I'll try it.
How about this? Gotta take the tip. Oh, that's spice.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, the side, no problem.
Yeah, it's like a bell pepper.
But
No problem.
I just bit the tip. It's like,
Yeah, you get the seeds though.
yeah. Ah, yeah. The secret. Poquito tomatillo.
Sí.
Poquito jitomate. Muy bien. With the habanero, yeah, that's crazy. And the molcajete.
Yes.
Amazing. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Rigoberto. Rigo.
Rigo. Me llamo Jeff y Marisa.
Mucho
Mucho
gusto.
gusto. Gracias para salsa.
Por nada.
Yeah, there it is. Gracias, Rigo. Gracias. We're gonna try this. Oh yeah, amazing. Amazing, yeah. Nicely seasoned. Gracias. Okay. Very good.
It is very good. Yeah.
Gracias.
There's salt.
Yep.
The salsas never seem to be salted enough.
Yep, just needs a little salt.
Salt. Print it out.
It's the drink menu. Let me see what I want to drink. Let me see here. No. I think they have some drinks, you know. We'll take that one. Coca Light.
It's not very exciting.
Let's see the menu. Ensalada. The pollo. Molcajete.
Tableside Caesar.
Yeah, the tableside Caesar. I think I have to do that.
I think so too.
What if we do like one entree and one appetizer? Since we ate chicken 30 minutes ago, we had a meal. Or no?
Yeah, I think that
We also have chips and
the
salsa.
tableside Caesar is probably going to be pretty big.
Yeah. We'll see what meal we get. But this place is like stunningly beautiful. Let's do a walk around. Little walking path. You gotta go off-roading just to get to your table here. Oh, look at this. So you're like in the middle of the jungle right now. And this is actual jungle. This is like open air. That is the moon above us. Look at this. Oh yeah, there's waterfalls. Forgot about the waterfalls. Amazing. Oh yeah, let's check out the cocina. Beautiful kitchen. Look at that. Bread. Wow, amazing. Look at the bar. The bar is beautiful. Hola. Hasta luego. Wow. El baño. Look at this. Oh, there's the wine room. Stunning. More waterfalls. Is this real? Let's see what's up here. Now we're wandering. Oh man. This is another bar. Check it out. This is a rooftop, I think. I don't even know where we're going. Wow. It's a whole tasting room. Let's do a walkthrough. Look at this guy. Unbelievable. Tasting happening. Like, is this real? We're just getting started here. Like second level. We're at the top of the waterfall right now. Look at this. We're over the waterfall. What? What a bad thing to stumble across. This is crazy. God, look at that. That's a horse. It's literally like 100 feet tall. More waterfalls. Wow. Well, closed doors. Look at, we're still outside, kind of, you know, like there's stars right there. Top of the waterfall. Let's continue. We're just getting started. There's a piano. Let's play the piano. Oh, this is like a treehouse jungle. I don't even know what this is. It's so crazy. Look at this giant room here. What? Have you seen a room full of booze like this? Look at this. Look at this. What? Yeah. Mariachi's chilling, taking a break over there. But man, look, the beauty here is beyond belief, really. Back into the jungle. I don't know. I gotta find my table now. I'm lost. I'm so lost now. Oh man! Found you. Woo! I was lost. That place is crazy. Chacha, what are you doing? It's raining on us. Is it raining? Stuff's falling from the trees. These little these things. I don't know what it is. If anyone knows what this is, let me know. But Chacho, what are you doing? Chachito, he's anxiously waiting Maurice's return. Are you ready for some food? But this place also allows dogs. This is like the fanciest, like coolest place I may have ever been in, and dogs no problem. Mexico does it right with the Doges, you know. So I appreciate it. Te amo, Mexico. Tableside Caesar. What do you think, Chacho? You gonna get some? Oh yeah. All right.
Anchoas?
Yeah, anchovy.
Sí.
Mash them up a bit. Got the secret recipe now. He's enjoying the show. Limon? Lemon? Lemon? Oh, yeah. Mash her all up. That sauce was pretty epic, I would say.
¿Mostaza?
Wow, mustard.
Sí.
Dijon?
Yep. Mustard sauce, yeah.
Ajo?
Ajo, yep. Garlic. Got some garlic in there. Healthy amount of
Best part.
mushed garlic. Yep. Mix it all up.
Pimienta.
Oh yeah. Pepper, we got oil left, we got some Worcestershire sauce, wash your sister sauce, and some Maggi.
Yep.
Ajá.
Yeah.
Oh,
Secret ingredient Maggi.
never seen that before.
Yeah.
Y eso.
So they call it English sauce.
Oh yeah. We call it wash your sister sauce. That is what it is, right? Yeah. Salsa inglesa, yeah, it's different. That is Worcestershire, though, right? Yeah. Romaine. Oh, the huevo. Oh, nice. Boiled egg. Perfect. Yeah, this is not typical in America. Oh, it's
Egg yolk.
the yolk. Ah, it is typical. Never mind. Amazing.
This looks like the traditional Caesar recipe.
Yeah.
From the Maggi part.
Yeah. Well, the Maggie's the secret, like the fish sauce and like pasta sauce or whatever, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's the umami in there that's so good. Oh yeah, it's all smoky. In case it's not obvious, we love to cook, so we have made many Caesar salads at home from scratch, you know. But this one's legit. Look at that. Gotta have that egg in there. Thickness, yeah. Awesome.
Gracias.
We got Coca Light, Agua Mineral. We got shot of lime, and it's raining. It's trying to kill us. These things keep falling. Some oil. Let's see how much oil we put in. Yep. Gotta mix it as you pour it in there. We got 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 or 4 maybe. Yeah, you gotta really mix it as the oil goes in real slow. And it gets this thick creamy, that's the key to the Caesar. Delicious. That's gonna be amazing. We got the special ingredient, Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah. Get some of these in our salsa. There it is. Look at that. Landed right in your plate.
It's like eating in the jungle.
Yeah. Yes. You know this one? It's
She got some too.
yeah, it's good in the Caesar. I don't know what it is.
religiosa en sus
Chips are great.
124 municipios.
Nice seasoning.
Algunos de los símbolos de la
Look
cultura
at that.
mexicana,
That's a good one right there.
las artesanías, la charrería, el mariachi, el jarabe tapatío y por supuesto la bebida más famosa de México, el tequila.
I'm gonna try this
Misma
Caesar.
bebida que tomó
Beautiful. So beautiful. Gracias. All right, have a bite. Well, you got yours too.
Yeah. Sea bass.
This is the Caesar. Oh yeah. So good. In this setting, it's just crazy. That looks pretty epic.
It does. Tarragon sauce.
Yeah, how's that? First bite?
Really good.
Yeah. Chacho's chilling. Trying to get some rest in this crazy trip. Putting up with our shenanigans. There's a habanero I ate. We're going to tear into this. But this salad is excellent. Yeah,
You
very good.
spooned it on the.
Yeah. Croutons. Wow. Gotta get some habanero in there. Oh yeah. He showed us the secret though. You bite the rib off the side. There's almost no heat to it, like nothing. And you bite the tip, you're on fire then. You get any of those seeds or ribs in there? Yeah, hot as shit, but delicious. On our way, a fire pit. Oh, we gotta go check it out. The masks. And Chacho, no problem. Bring the Chachito everywhere. What is it called that they're burning?
Palo Santo.
Yeah, they got it's a nice smell, the Palo Santo smoke throughout. Amazing.